Okay, so I'm warning you right now that the video you're about to watch has nothing to do with audio, except for the fact that these are my buddies who run YouTube channels. You probably already know. This is Chana, aka Techno Dad, and Michael, aka Youthman. They have great channels, and this was taken in the lobby of a hotel right after we had just finished doing a podcast. Parts 1 and 2 are on Techno Dad and Youthman's channels, respectively. Now, you guys asked for this, so I hope you enjoy it.
Dude, what? Hey, we're going to end the podcast, man. This is
Yeah.
yeah, we have to do Hey, Joe.
What's this hand over here?
That's what you do. Yeah,
You're
bro.
a professional. This guy, what's with the hand? What's with the hand over here?
Put your hand on there.
bro. No.
Oh, you got to keep that wrist straight. Oh, man, I got cords in my legs.
1, 2, 3, go!
That's funny, dude. All right, lefty.
Oh!
He didn't know I'm left-handed. I'm not. Hey,
I'm scared. I'm scared.
dude, I can't left-handed at
All
all.
right, 1, 2, 3, go! This guy uses horns.
I want to smash the watch. Hell yeah.
All right,
Oh,
we're
yeah,
even
oh,
on that one.
All right, John, jump in.
All right, so, I guess
You going?
the right's the only one that matters because we're righties. Are you righty?
Yeah.
All right, you righty?
Oh, what the hell? What's happening here?
You guys entertained? What's this all about?
Are you not entertained? I don't know, dude. What is all this nonsense about?
Get in there.
All right,
How you doing, bro?
I'm good. You? What's happening? What are you touching me for over there?
All right,
right.
here we go. All right.
Who's Mike? You got to call it, Mike.
Let's get ready to rumble.
Captain.
Go. Oh, speak a tongue, speak a tongue, speak a tongue.
Oh man.
Woo.
I'm gonna do a rematch on Joe. I got a trick.
Oh man.
All right.
Left hand. Left hand.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
Ah, what the fuck?
He can't do that. You gotta do
All right, get ready.
All right.
3, 2, go. Speak a tongue.
All right, Joe, come on. I want another one.
Oh,
right.
rematch with these two.
All right, we'll be serious this time. I was just
I
kidding.
don't know if that's fair. I got like 3 matches on me.
I know, like
I got 3 matches on me. All right, here we go.
Joe's got that wrist locked already.
3,
man.
2, 1, go! I don't know why Michael insists on touching your arm. Like, I don't. Oh, you
Dude, total winner right here, man. He's got the gun. That's awesome.
Oh, that was good.
That's hilarious.
Oh my gosh, that's funny.